Good morning everyone, I am Jaydeep Mundra from Transport India. We are manufacturers of PET cans, jars and bottles. In this video, I'll be talking about our new range of PET bottles with lug cap. These lug caps are traditionally used with glass bottles. Now we have developed this in PET. PET is unbreakable, long lasting, lightweight, shatterproof, 100% food grade. The thickness of each of the bottle is above 400 microns, so it does not come in any band. These are reusable, BPA free and leak proof. We are offering this for cafes and restaurants for packing Bobatea, milkshakes, badam milk. In this range we have the round regular, in which we have 250 ml, 350 ml and 500 ml size. Similarly, we have round premium, in which we have 350 ml and 500 ml size. We have developed this new square shape, in which we have 500 ml, 250 ml and 350 ml size. Now we'll demonstrate how the cap is open and how the customer will use the bottle. Once the shake is over, the customer can carry the bottle at home and reuse it again and again. For more queries, feel free to contact us. Contact details are in the description box below. Thank you.